Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, the place where you can learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Here on this channel we talk about apps that involve money in any form, side hustles, ways to make money online, as well as personal finance. And in this video we're going to be talking about Chime. So some of y'all may not necessarily know that you can deposit cash on the Chime app. The reason this is a big deal is Chime is an online bank, and stereotypically online banks don't have the ability to deposit cash physically. You have to deposit your money into a physical bank like a Chase or BB&T or something like that, and then transfer it to your online bank. But Chime actually does have the ability to deposit cash directly. All you need to do is follow the steps that we're about to outline. So we're going to move over to my phone so I can show you exactly how to do this. So first we want to go ahead and click on the Chime app. Now, if you're not logged in, you'll need to log into your Chime account first. I'm going to assume you're already logged in, so you just input your mobile passcode, then you'll be good to go. You'll then be taken to your standard banking screen. Once you get here, you want to click on Move Money, and there's an option that says Deposit Cash. Click on Deposit Cash. The way it works is there are certain stores that you can deposit cash in order to get that money in your Chime account. All you need to do is follow the steps outlined here. Bring cash to the store and give your cash and Chime debit card to the cashier. You can add up to $1,000 every day, up to $10,000 per month. In order to see what locations around you that you can do this for, just click on See Locations Near Me. Once you do this, a map will appear which will show you all the locations that are available to deposit cash into when it comes to your Chime bank account. From there, you just go to the store and follow the instructions outlined before. So you now know how to deposit cash into your Chime bank account. Keep in mind that it takes about 30 minutes for the funds usually to settle. Sometimes it might be available instantly, just really depends. And also keep in mind that even though this is a nice service, the fee is pretty steep. It costs around $5 just to deposit cash. But it's just good to know about that option in case you want to use it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I drop another Chime video. And if you found value in this video, you can give this video a thumbs up. That'd be very much appreciated. And if you're interested in getting a Chime bank account, but you haven't done so yet, you can click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and sign up. When you do so, you'll have the opportunity to get a sign-on bonus as long as you set up direct deposit with Chime of over $200 or more. For disclosure, that is an affiliate link and it does go towards supporting the channel. That does it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.